This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Joanne Sassoni. Beautiful renovated 1 Bedrm 1.5 bath first floor unit, second in from corner. This gorgeous guard-gated unit is close to laundry, parking space, has dishwasher, walk-in shower, central air heat. Enjoy meeting new friends at the community pool or the lavish Clubhouse. Century Village is the most desirable 55-plus community to live in. This fabulous comm offers resort-style living, West live shows, movies and entertainment, social activities, ping pong, indoor-outdoor pool, exercise gym, tennis, golf course across street, close to hospitals and doctors, tram stop, places of worship, bus takes you to Publix, shopping, offered furnished or unfurnished move-in ready, won't last. For more information, review the details below or contact Joanne Sassoni at 561-212-2271.